Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create an isometric bedroom in Blender 4.5.0. So let's get started. So let me just enable my screencast keys, so whatever key I press should be visible to you on the left hand side bottom corner over here. Okay, so first we have a cube. I'll just press X, delete, then let's just go to add mesh plane. Okay, then scale to make it a little bit bigger, press S to scale it, and I'll make it something like this. Okay, then just go to edit mode, then we'll just select this edge. So I'll select this. Sorry, I'm not able to select it. Okay, sorry, I need to select the edge one. I need to select this edge, and I need shift select this edge as well. Once you do that, shift D to duplicate it, then press P, selection, then let's go to object mode over here, then select the duplicated part only, but you can select it from over here because from here it gets a little bit difficult, so I prefer selecting from over here from the scene collection itself. Okay, then select it, then let's go to edit mode, then press A to select all. Okay, I'll just zoom out a little, E to extrude it up. I'll press Z so that it extrudes only in the Z direction, so I'll just move it up like this. Okay, so this looks enough. And then A to select all again, then option E, extrude face along normals. So here you can move it like this, and also press A for press S for perpendicular, for it to be proper perpendicular one. I'll just right click on it, left click on it. Then we need to enable face orientation as well, so I'll come over here. I always keep forgetting where exactly is the face orientation. I think it's over here. So click on this, click on face orientation, so it helps us to detect, show us our normals. So again, A to select all, and shift N so that our normals are in proper way. Then let's go back to object mode, then let's just select the bottom plane, go to edit mode, press A to select all, S to scale it, so I'll scale it like this. Okay, then let's just add 6 loop cut on y-axis, so I'll just select this loop cut tool over here, and on the y-axis I'll just add 1 loop cut. Then I'll just click on this and I'll change this value to 6. Then I'll just what we'll do is we'll get rid of the loop cut by pressing this. Then I'll press v, so I'll just minimize this. I'll just press V, and then just right click on your mouse. Okay, and then let's select this particular edge which we have, so I'm just shift selecting all this part, then right click, subdivide, then say go to vertex mode, and we'll select the center vertex. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this and this. Then GY to move it like this. Okay, then shift control B or shift command B depending on the OS you are using. So I'll just move it, and then I'll just move my mouse cursor so that it adds more segments. So something like this looks okay to me. So yeah, then what we need to do is, again, make sure you are in edge select. So I'll just select this, I'll go to edge select, and here what I'll do is I'll select this one. Okay, I'll just zoom it so that you can see properly. I'll select this edge. Okay, then I'll select this one as well, then I'll select this one as well, and lastly I'll select this one as well. Okay, so once all these edges are selected, we can just press GY to move it in like this, then A to select all, E to extrude it down just a tiny bit, not too much, something like this. then press A to select all, Shift N so that normals are in proper way. Then let's go back to object mode, add mesh plane. Then just let's move it down, so I'll just move it down like this. Okay, then once we add it, we just go to our edit mode. We just press S to scale it. Okay, I don't want this much big. Yeah, somewhere around here. I mean, it's up to you how you want it. I'll just keep it like this. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want it big or small. Here you can see there is clearly some gap, so I can just click on this minus y axis. Sorry, not y, minus y. Okay, I'll just select this move tool, make sure I bring it somewhere over here. Okay, approximate. Then we just press E to extrude it down. Then again A to select all, Shift N for normals, and then let's just bevel the edges. So I'll just select this, I'll select this edge, I'll select this edge, I'll select this one, and I'll select this one as well. So I'll just press Command B or Control B to bevel it like this. If you want, you can change the number of segments as well if you are not seeing it properly. Then let's just go to object mode again. Okay, I'll just move it like this. Let's just select our wall. Then let's go to edit mode. Then select the top face. So I'll just go to face mode. I'll select this face. Okay, I'm not able to select it. Select this face as well as select not this one, the top face. Yeah, this one. Now just do Shift D to duplicate it. P selection. Then let's go to object mode again. Then select the newly created duplicate. Go to edit mode again and press A. Then extrude it up a little. So I'll just press E to extrude it up. Yeah, this much is fine according to me. Then press A to select everything. Then Option S to scale it. So yes, something like this looks okay to me. Then let's just go to object mode, select our floor. Then let's go to modifiers. Let's just add a bevel modifier. Then change the number of segments to 3. Change the amount to 0.04. Then scroll down, go to shading, and here we just click on harden normals. Okay, then go to geometry, then go to meter outer, we'll select just arc. Okay, and just right click, shade smooth. Okay, then I'll just select all the objects. Just okay, not all, don't press A. So okay, just select one by one. So I'll just select this wall, I'll select the top, and I'll select the bottom one. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll select this the floor on which we added the bevel modifier. I'll select it as last. Okay, so you'll have to shift select it, and then we just go over here and just do copy to selected so that it will add the bevel modifier to everything. Then let's just select our wall, go to edit mode, then just select the right wall, right face wall, and then just do Shift S, cursor to selected, go to object mode, add mesh plane RX90 to rotate it. Then let's just move it up a little bit because this will be our window, and just scale it in the x-axis by pressing SX. So yeah, something like this. Then Shift D to duplicate. Let's go to edit mode, then press E to extrude it. So I'll just extrude it like this. Okay, then E to select all, then GY to move it like this. So here you should see half of the portion outside. So yeah, something like this. Then make sure, so what you will have to do is go to edit, preferences, and inside get extension you will have to select for bool. So here you can see for me bool tool is already installed. So if you want you can install the bool tool. Like it is asking me to update it, I'm not updating it, I'll update it later on, but I already have that installed. So make sure you have the bool tool installed. Then let's go to object mode. Then shift select the original wall. So make sure this window is already selected, then shift select the original wall, then press control minus. Even on Mac you need to press control minus and not command minus, so it adds the boolean modifier. Then what we'll do, I'll just minimize this, I'll move the boolean modifier above the bevel modifier. Then let's select this particular plane 004. Then we need to move it a little bit behind, so I'll just zoom in, I'll just move it like this so that we can see this edges. Okay, then let's go to edit mode, and we need to add a loop cut horizontally. So I'll just come over here, I'll add a loop cut and move it down something like this. Then go to face mode, select this particular face, P for selection. Then go to object mode, then select this particular face which we just created, go to edit mode again, press A, E to extrude it out, so something like this. Then again go to object mode, then shift select the original wall. So I'll just shift select the original wall over here, and for so I'll just, sorry, not this one, not the window, shift select the wall. Okay, then I'll just do copy to selected for our boolean modifier. Okay, again select the window, so I'll just select the window, I'll go to our edit mode, sorry, then again press A, then I to insert, something like this. Then P selection, then let's go, yeah, select face mode, then we'll have to select the outer faces. So I'll just select this outer face, then E to extrude, so I'll extrude it like this. Then go to object mode, then shift select the bottom part of the window as well. So I'll just select this one. Okay, and let's just do copy to selected, so it will add the bevel modifier as well. Now shift select the duplicated window to which boolean was applied. So I'll just select this, not this one, sorry, this particular part. Okay, then just press command P or control P. So it will create a one object. Then let's just select the original floor over here. Okay, I'll just zoom out a little bit so that you guys can see it. Then shift S, cursor to selected, then just go add mesh plane, then SX to scale it out. So this will be our bed, so I'm just scaling it out like this. Then go to edit mode, then G and Z, sorry, just move it little bit up. Okay, then E to extrude, just press E, extrude it in the Z direction. So yeah, this much is fine according to me. Then go to object mode, add mesh plane, then click the Z axis, add wireframe over here, scale it down by pressing S. So I'll just scale it down like this. Then let's just move it over here, so to the corner of our bed, somewhere over here. Okay, I'll get rid of our wireframe. Then go to edit mode, come over here, then E to extrude, something like this. Then let's just add a mirror modifier to it. Just enable the y-axis as well, click on this and select this bed. So here you can see it has added on all sides. Now let's just apply. Are we able to apply it? No, we can't apply it from here. Let's just go to object mode, then click on apply. Once you have applied, let's just go to edit mode again. We can just select the first two top face. Okay, and we can extrude it up again. Press E to extrude. Okay, then let's just go to edge, and I'll just zoom it a little bit in. I'll select this edge, I'll select this edge as well, this edge and this edge as well. Then shift D to duplicate, P selection, go to object mode again, then select this plane, then go to edit mode, A to select all, F to fill. Then let's just select the bottom edge, so I'll just zoom in. So here you can see the bottom edge, and we just do GZ to move it up like this. Then here I'll just come to our top edge, then just right click, subdivide, go to vertex mode, select the first and the last vertex and move it down using G and Z. So yeah, something like this. Then select the center vertex as well, then command shift B to bevel it. Is it working? Yeah, and here you can see I can just add a few bevels, so something like this. Just roll your mouse cursor, or you can just add number of segments from here as well, change the number of segments. Okay, then E to select all, E to extrude, so I'll just extrude, don't make it that big, a little bit smaller is fine. Then A to select everything, shift N for normals, then GX to move it behind a little bit. So yeah, this looks fine. Okay, then shift D to duplicate, then select the move tool and move it over here. Then let's just select the top face of this one. I'll just go to face mode, I'll just select the top face of this, then shift select all this, then move it down using G and Z. Okay, I'll just move it down even further, G and Z. Okay, then let's just go to object mode. Yeah, looks okay to me. Okay, I think this could have been brought a little bit. Let's just select this, press L, I'll just move it a little bit closer. Okay, yeah, something like this. Then let's just go to object mode, select our bed, let's go to edit mode, select face mode and select the top face. It is already selected for me. Then again shift D to duplicate, P selection, then go to object mode, then select the duplicate face, go to edit mode, then E to select all. Okay, E to extrude a little bit, just a tiny bit. Okay, then E to select all, then SX to scale it down, something like this. So this is our bed sheet, and SY also to scale it down a little bit, not this much. Okay, so something like this. Then again select the top face and extrude it up. Okay, I think we can move this a little bit up. I don't know. I'll just select this one. I'll go to edit mode again, and I'll just move this a little bit up. Okay, somewhere like this. Okay, then let's just go to object mode again. Let's just select our bed sheet. Let's go to edit mode. Okay, then let's just add a loop cut at the center. Select loop cut, I'll add it, and here I'll just change the number of cuts to 2, and we'll add one below as well. So horizontally like this, I'll move it down like this. Okay, then select the horizontal loop cuts added. Okay, so I'll just get rid of loop cut by pressing that icon. Then I'll just select this one. I'll select this one as well. Then just do SX to move it to the side. Then let's just add 2 loop cuts horizontally as well, like this, and I'll just change the number of cuts to 2, and we can scale it SY. Just move it a little bit out like this. Then let's just add a subdivision surface, change the number of cuts to 2. Let's go to object mode, right click, shade smooth. Then let's just select all the parts of our bed. So using shift select, just select everything related to our bed, and then just make sure you select this one last, the actual bed. Okay, then just press Command P or Control P to make it as one object. Then let's just add one cursor besides our bed. So I'll just zoom out a little bit. I'll take a cursor, I'll just add it over here. Okay, then oh not sorry, so over here, then I'll just select this one. Then let's just add mesh plane. Then let's just scale it down a little bit. Okay, let's just select our bed. Okay, where is our bed? So this is our bed, right? I think it has not converted it. So yeah, I think okay, so now it has selected all. I'll just select this and I'll move our bed over here, so that here we will be creating a drawer type of thing, so that's why I needed more space. So let's just select this particular plane which we have, and let's just scale it down first. So I have just scaled it down. Let's go back to edit mode. Okay, then I'll just select this, I'll press A2. Okay, I think I just scaled it down too much. I'll just do Command Z. Okay, I think it looks fine to me. Just move it up a little bit. Let's go to edit mode. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, then need to extrude it up, so I'll just press E to extrude it up like this. Yeah, this is way too big. I'll just press A and scale it down even further. Okay, I'll just do Command Z, sorry about this. I'll just scale it over here itself. Okay, so yeah, this looks okay to me. I'll just press -Y as well, so that I bring it at the same level as of our floor. Then I'll just press E to extrude it up. Okay, so something like this. Then we can just do I'll just do Command Z, sorry about this. I'll just move it a little bit, yeah, something like this. Then Shift D to duplicate, then H to scale out, then again E to extrude a little bit, Then we'll just select go to face mode. We'll select the front face over here. Okay, then again we'll just do Shift D to duplicate, P selection, go to object mode, select the duplicated face, go to edit mode again, then add a loop cut over here and just add 2 segments. Okay, so I'll just expand this. I'll make the number of cuts as 2. Then let's just go to this one. I'll get rid of our loop cut by pressing this. I'll just select this top face and this face as well, so shift select and then press E to extrude it out, so kind of like a drawer. So once you have selected this created this drawer, then I think so what we can do is we'll just select the left and right edges. So I'll just go to edge mode, select this edge, I'll select this edge, I'll select this edge, and I'll select this edge as well. Then I'll just zoom it in, press Command B to bevel it. If you want, you can change the number of segments from this as well. Okay, then let's just go to object mode. Let's just select this as well, and what we can do is I think we can just select this particular floor, and here we can just do copy to selected, so that bevel modifier is applied to this drawer as well. Okay, let's just then select our drawer, go to edit mode, and let's just do Shift S, cursor to selected. I think I've made a mistake, sorry about this. I just go to object mode, I'll just select this one. Okay, yeah, let's go to edit mode and we'll select only the top face. Okay, then Shift S, cursor to selected, then let's go back to object mode over here, then go to add mesh UV sphere. Here we'll change the value to 16, and we can just go to edit mode again, scale it down. Okay, let me just go back to object mode. Anyways, let's come back over here, and I think I was trying to make this as 2 separate drawers, but this is fine as well if it's just one drawer. Anyways, let's go with the flow. Let's see what happens. So I've just scaled it in, and here I can just move it a little bit outside as well. Okay, then let's just do Shift D to duplicate, and let's move it down, so something like this. Okay, then let's go back to object mode. Let's just click on this, then let's just select our other wall, go to edit mode, select this wall. Okay, and here again do Shift S, cursor to selected. Then let's go back to object mode again, then add mesh plane RY90. Then let's just scale it down first. Then sorry, I'll just do Command Z, sorry, SZ to scale it down like this. Okay, and then I'll just move it up as well, otherwise our bed will occupy that and we won't be able to see it. Something, this is kind of like a painting which we will be doing. So we have added bevel more. Okay, then let's just go to edit mode, Let's just select the front face and E to extrude, not that much big, just a little bit. Okay, then I to inset, something like this. Then E to extrude it out, backwards, something like this. Okay, then let's just come over here, select our entire thing, just select this particular thing and then copy to selected this bevel modifier. Then let's just add cursor at the top of our table, and here let's just add a circle, add mesh circle, change the vertices to 12, and let's go to edit mode, scale it down, something like this. Then F to fill, then E to extrude, just a little bit. Okay, then E to extrude again, then H to scale out, then E to extrude again. Okay, and H to scale in. Okay, and let me just press S and let's just scale it a little bit in, because it's looking way too big for the table, and I'll just move it down as well. Okay, then let's just go to our edge, select this particular edge, command B to bevel it, so something like this. And then let's just go to the top edge, this particular part, shift D to duplicate, move it up, then H to scale, then E to extrude. Okay, then H to scale out, and let's just press L and I'll just move it down like this. I'll just go to face mode, I'll select the top face, press X to delete faces, then again select this, press L, shift N for normals, then just do P selection, then go to object mode, then select both parts of our lamp. So I think okay, I'll have to select this one, I'll just select this, I'll select this, so both are. Then go to edit mode. Okay, we don't need to do this, I guess. Yeah, this is fine. Then we'll just select this, just do copy to selected bevel modifier. Okay, we don't okay, sorry, I have made a mistake. I'll not that big a mistake, I'll just do command Z. Let's just add the bevel modifier only to the bottom part, not to the top part. So I'll just select this and this, and I'll just do copy to selected. Okay, then let's just select this again, let's just add a solid, so we'll select the top one, sorry, we'll just add one solidify modifier, and we'll just go to edit mode, just select this, add a loop cut at the top, add a loop cut at the bottom, then let's just add a subdivision surface as well. Let's just go to object mode. So if you want, you can just play around with this thickness as well. So yeah, something like this looks fine to me. Then just right click, shade smooth, then select both parts of our lamp, this one, and command P for object. Then let's just add a cursor on our bed, over here, then add mesh plane, then let's just scale it down. Then just do S and Y just a little bit. Then let's just add go to edit mode. Let's just add a horizontal cut, then add a vertical cut, and for vertical cut we'll make this as 2. Then we'll just get rid of our loop cut by pressing this icon. Then press A, right click, subdivide, right click, subdivide. Then just extrude it up a little bit, something like this. So here we are making our cushion. A to select all, GZ to move up a little bit. Then go to our physics engine, select cloth. Then in field weights, so I'll just scroll down. Let's make gravity as 0. In pressure, let's make it as 2. So pressure, just make this as 2. If you want to see it more accurate, you can just go to object mode. Okay, and let's just play our animation by clicking on this icon. So here you can see it has created this cushion for us. So you can just stop wherever you feel. I've just pressed space bar. So here you can just play around with this. So this looks okay to me, so I'm just doing it like this. Then just go to modifiers and just apply this modifier over here. Okay, then let's just add a subdivision surface, and let's add shades, right click, shade smooth as well. And here I can just now move it on our bed. So here I can just take this and move it over here. Yeah, somewhere I can just move it, something like this. If you want to rotate it as well on, I think Z, no, not on Z, RX, no, not, I think it is RY. Yeah, this looks much better. Okay, command S to save. I'll just save it because sometimes Blender crashes on me, that's why. Command S to save it again. Okay, now again for the bed, select our bed, go to physics, select collision, then go to cursor, place cursor on our bed, then just do add mesh plane, go to edit mode. We need to subdivide it 6 times. So right click, subdivide, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then E to extrude it up a little, then go to object mode, GZ to move it up, then RZ to rotate it. I'll just rotate it like this. Then here I'll just go to our physics, I'll add cloth. Okay, then let's go to pressure, enable pressure, and we'll make it as 0.2. Then add collision in physics, then scroll down to collisions and enable self collision. Collisions, enable self collisions. Okay, then let's just select okay, I'll just select this, I'll select our bed, and we need to change the friction to 20. let's just select our this particular what do you call, sheet, I guess. I'm not really sure, the one which we take on ourselves once we feel cold. So I'll just play this, and here you can see we, like, this happens for the first time. I don't know why. I think it's extremely slow, the frames are dropping, but if you try to play it once again, then it runs pretty smoothly. But here you will have to pause it once you feel the animation is proper for you. So if I now move here, you can see it is now running pretty fast. So I'm not really sure why this happens. So here, yeah, this looks okay to me. Then let's just go to our modifiers and apply this modifier as well. Then let's just add a subdivision surface. Then right click, shade smooth. Okay, let's just select our window. Let's go to materials, new material, and here I'll just change it to emission, and let's make this value as 10. So if I just show it to you inside this, here you can see it looks much better now. Okay, now regarding our painting, so what I'll do is I'll just move back over here. I'll just select our painting, go to shading workspace, and here inside edit mode, I'll go to face mode. I'll just select this particular face. Okay, I'll just go to layout. Yeah, this face is selected. Go to shading, then click on new, and what we need to do here is, first we need to take a noise texture. So I'll just add noise texture over here, and I'll add color ramp as well over here. Then I'll just join this FAC to FAC over here. I'll just join this color to base color over here. I'll just move this like this, and I'll move this like this, and here I'll just change the scale value. So just play around with this. Even I don't really understand all this stuff. Okay, I'll just change this. I change. Okay, nothing seems to be happening. I don't know why. I'll just move it like this. Again, I'm not really sure why. So here you can see kind of like of something of a painting type. Hopefully you got it. Then we can, for this cushion, we can just go to material, new, and you can assign it some color, whatever you feel like. And here we need to also assign on pillow, we need to assign, there is something called sheen. We'll make it as 1 so that it looks much better, some soft kind of thing. I'll select this one as well, and I'll assign the same thing. I'll select this one, I'll click on new, and here you can assign some different color, whatever you feel like is okay for you. Okay, so something like this. Then we'll just select this one, I'll click on new, and we'll just make the transmission as 1. Okay, now, and for this we'll again select new, and here we'll just bring down the roughness. Okay, I'll just do Command S to save. Now for the other things, what we can do is you can just go to this website called Polyheaven, and here you can just search for textures, and first we'll just search for furniture texture. Now one thing which I would like to tell you is you need to install one more. So I'll just go to layout. Okay, go to edit, preferences, and here inside the get extension you need to search for something called Node Wrangler. Okay, I'm not able to see this over here. Go to add-ons maybe. Yeah, here you can see Node Wrangler is already checked for me, so you require this as well, because it helps us a lot to apply any kind of texture on our object. So I'll just select this plane which we have at the bottom. I'll go to shading, I'll click on this new, okay, and then I'll come over here, So what I have searched for, not furniture, I need something called wood. Okay, and here there are some paid ones as well, so it's up to you which one you want to use. So I just want to select a little bit different. So here, yeah, I'll just select it as 1K. So let's just wait for this to download. Okay, then I'll just come over here, I'll just unzip this, then come back over here, and here you need to just select your principal BHDF. Just select this and press I think it is Control Option T. No, I think it is Shift Control T, I guess. Yeah, Shift Control T. Even on Mac it is Shift Control T and not Shift Command T. Just go to your downloads, go to your unzip, go to texture, and here you can just press select all of this. Just select all of this. Okay, and then click on Principal Texture, and here you can see it has automatically applied the texture for us using. So I think there are a lot of things related to texture like ambient occlusion, the normal texture, which even I do displacement, and here you can see normals, which I don't really understand. That's why I just do let the node wrangler handle all this stuff for us. Now we also need one for our wood. So wood, I will apply it to everything, but if you want, you can, sorry, not wood, furniture. Okay, I'll just select this one and I'll just click on download. Okay, and here again I'll just unzip this, and here let's select what will select this. I think we can just select our bed first, and here I can just click on new, select your principal BHDF, Shift Control T again. Let's go to the unzip folder, the new one, go to textures and just select all of this, and then create principal texture. So here you can see it has applied this. Now one more thing which before I forget, just go to file, external data, click on pack resources, because we have added external files, images, right? That's why we need to do this. I'll just select this part, I'll apply the same thing. I'm not wasting too much time over here. I'll select this part, I'll apply the same thing. I'll select this part, I'll apply the same thing. Okay, and I'll also select this part, I can apply the same thing. Select this one, I'll apply the same thing. Okay, I'll just select the top, I can apply the same thing. Maybe I can apply something little different over here. Let's try this one. Okay, I think this texture is not getting applied to this one properly, but let's see. I'll just make it, just add some normal color to this. Okay, so this looks okay. Now there is one more thing, we can't directly export this, because if you see for our painting we have applied this particular texture, right? We can't directly export it as GLTF format. So for this we need to do few additional steps to create an image texture out of this. So let's just do that quickly. Need to do is, we just need to select our painting. Okay, go to UV editing, and here just press U, Smart UV project, unwrap, then go to shading. Then here you will see this particular part. Here you just have to click on new, click on new image. I'll just zoom out. Then here we need to add an image texture. So I'll quickly add an image texture over here. I'll just select this. Then here we need to select the image which we have created. In our case, the name of the image was Untitled. Then just go to render. Here you need to select cycles, and then let's just scroll down. Here just go to bake, then bake type I will select it as diffuse. I don't know why. I'll just uncheck this direct, indirect as well, and then I'll just click on bake. Now this bake will take a bit of time, as you can see over here. It depends on the noise, texture and all that stuff which you have applied. So once this progress bar is finished till 100%, then I'll come back and show you guys the next step. So if it is taking too much time for you, the easiest way is just to come over here inside device and just select GPU compute, and it will be done pretty quickly for you. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys about that. Then let's just come to color over here and just drag and drop it over here, and here you can see, so we are getting the same thing. Now we can just go to file, export gltf. I'll just save it on desktop, data, mesh, click on apply modifiers, and yeah, that should be about it. Export gltf 2.0. So yeah, this is done. Let's come to this particular website. Hopefully it should be able to render our gltf file, and here you can see we are able to see our gltf file. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you want to add some color to this as well, and here you can see even to our bed the color is not that prominent. If you want, you can do that. I think to the window this looks really weird, so let's just do few changes. Given that we have worked so hard for this, so I'll just click on new, and here I'll just add some color to this as well. Okay, and let's just select our I'll just go to layout mode. I'll select this particular part, press X, delete. Okay, hopefully this should work. Now our window should not look a little bit weird. And even for our bed, I'll just select some different color. This one looks really bad. I don't know what, like is pink color looks pinky, looks even bad. But yeah, it's up to you what you want to add a color for. I think typically it kind of like brownish color. Yeah, something like this. Anyways, looks fine to me. Then let's just command S to save it, file, export gltf, go to desktop, data, mesh, apply modifiers, export. Let's come over here. I'll just refresh this, and I'll just drag and drop the updated. And yeah, here you can see this is, I don't know why this wall is like this. I don't know if I need to, I don't know. Yeah, sorry about this. Maybe I made some mistake, I guess. I'm not able to delete this wall. Do I need to delete this as well? Like I have just deleted that. I don't know if that I have just deleted something related to the wall. Okay, my PC has become extremely slow. Okay, I've deleted something. Let me try once more. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. I don't know. Export gltf, data, mesh, apply modifiers, export. And here I'll just refresh this, just drag and drop it over here. Nah, it's still the same. But anyways, hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.